Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of April 26th through May 2nd. Crazy it's May, but the 28th is my anniversary. So I am going to use this kit from Planner Problem. It's called Caramel Kit page. This is page 1. I think it's like Caramel Love or something like that is what they said. But I think it's super cute and I like the hearts, and it's kind of like a more spring vibes version of my wedding colors. We use navy and red as our wedding colors, so I feel like it kind of fits in with that a little bit still. So I'm using this. I also pulled a bunch of washi tape, pulled all of these from Michael's, and then I also pulled these two from Amazon. So a bunch of different tapes. So I'm going to use these two as headers for the middle and bottom. I'm also going to use these two as my bottom washi. Going a little bit more extra this week than usual because, you know, anniversary, I can do it. And then I pulled leftovers from, hang on, let me see if I can like grab everything. From 2 Wonton and a Million Craftsmith kits, because I felt like there were a bunch of things that kind of like went with the vibes that I'm going with this week. Like if we go out to drinks, this one totally goes, whatever. Anyway, my main plan for sure from all of these is to use these two strips here as my top row of my headers. I know it's going to end up a little wide, but that's not going to bother me. So I'm going to do all of those things, and then I will be back so we can do the interesting bits. All right, that took like 3 times as long as it should have because my cat is trying to destroy everything right now, but we're gonna see how it goes. This is what the setup looks like right now. I think it's looking pretty cute in terms of boxes. I feel like they pair up pretty naturally. So I am just gonna start laying them down. So you can hear noises in the background. Definitely my cat. He wants to steal things that he should not have to play with, and he's mad because I've made it harder for him. We'll see how that goes, how long I can make it before he decides to destroy something else. Such is the life when you have young cats, I guess. I don't know if the order of these two matters. Peeled off some backer, but I think it's gonna stick down okay. Yeah, that still looks okay. Does anyone else have young exploring cats that like will curiosity kill this cat thing? Totally understand why that's the same. He's got so much creativity and desire to cause trouble, which is fun sometimes and super obnoxious sometimes. It is what it is. We're trying to keep him busy, but it's not always possible when we are working, or, you know, planning, as it were. All right, this is the last full box. And then we can get on to the exciting bits. So many Scrippy scraps. Okay. This one is the last one. There we go. I think that's pretty cute. I'm liking it so far. For the sidebar, I think I'm just gonna stick in this little guy here. I'm gonna end up with like one scallop left over. But I think that's fine. Next, I'm gonna stick this habit tracker. It's from my leftovers. I honestly don't remember which shop this would be from. If anyone does remember, please share with me. This week, I know I usually do Instagram, but I am actually going to track cleaning my cat's teeth. This is a sticker from a like Recollections collection at Michael's. Intended for going to the dentist, but I think it'll be cute for this week to mark that. Trying to make it a habit to brush his teeth every day. Not a habit yet, obviously, but we'll get there. I think next, maybe I'll stick this washi in, kind of like mix it up a little. It's really wide, but I don't really have a lot of things that need to go in my sidebar, so I think that's fine. I feel like the bits of floral is kind of like fun to add in. I was hoping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one is 8. That one's like the opposite of what I want. This green doesn't go with anything, so that's not going to work. All right, I think I'm just going to use this one, even though there's an extra row. Because I can just use the extra row to label that this is for dinners. Let me see. Do I have like a big icon to mark dinners? I feel like everything I have is kind of small. Like of all the things I grabbed. Maybe I'll just use this one. This matches from the same set. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick it like that. And then I will just label that as dinners. And then what do I put down here? Oh goodness. He just like can't deal. All right, I'm going to trim off a tiny bit of this because it's like a tiny bit too tall for the amount of space that I have left. And then oh, like I had a teeth thing here too. Whatever. I'm gonna use this little flower icon. This will just mark in 3rd anniversary this week, or married 3 years or something like that. Okay, so for the plants, I'm gonna use these flags for work. I don't know why this one just tore. I'm gonna lay it down anyway. I think it's gonna be fine. know, has like some weird like scraps on the back. All right, there we go. That's done. And then next up, I wanted to mark my plan with me. I'm gonna mark it, I think, the same way I pretty much always do. This one's a Piper Paper Company icon. I have a coupon code down below. It's an affiliate link as well. If you want to use it, it helps me out a little to buy more stickers. No pressure either way though. But the code is 20% off if you do want to use the code. Other than that, Tuesday, nothing is going on. Wednesday, the big thing I want to mark, maybe I'll use this guy. Can I afford this much space? Maybe I'm gonna put it right here. Like so. And then in here somewhere, if I can find it, there's this like giant gold heart. I don't know if you can hear my cat. I'm just gonna mark my anniversary there. Let's see. That's all I have for that day. Thursday, my cat's now climbing all over my table, so that's fun. I'm gonna use, I guess, this guy. I'm gonna mark it a little differently here because I also have work lunch. So I'm gonna use this bigger flag. And then I pulled this Happy Planner set, and it has these little coffee cups here. I'm just gonna use one of those. So I'm gonna mark work and work lunch in the same thing. And then I have this one to mark Friday work, which is just regular work, like so. Other things going on this week, I really don't have anything else at this point. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I think I'm not gonna fill anything in because there's just not that much going on. But if you stick around for just a second, you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Let me just do like a little wiggle and twerk because there is a little bit of foil here, not a ton, but definitely some. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Planner Problem. I used up the entire page I printed. There's nothing left here. So this is being recycled. As Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. This washi up at the top came from leftovers from a Wonton and Million at Craftsmith kit. This one is a Recollections, and this is Recollections, also from Michaels. This is another one of those Wonton and a Million Craftsmith at Michaels things. This washi, actually all three washies are from Michaels. This is another one of those leftovers from that Wonton and a Million kit. Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio. These two washies here are both from Amazon. Creative Cavern Studio, this is a Happy Planner icon. Another of those Wonton and a Million with Craftsmith. This is from Hobby Lobby and an Agenda 52 book. Wonton and a Million, Wonton and a Million, Wonton and a Million, all of those leftovers from that kit. This is another one that came out of that Agenda 52 book. This is a Happy Planner icon. Another of those Wonton and a Million with Craftsmith. Creative Cavern Studio, Chasing Shells. Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Wonton and a Million at Craftsmith. All three of these are Chasing Shells. Piper Paper Studio, two Creative Cavern Studios, and another Piper Paper Studio. And then I have this box left over here for whatever I'm doing this evening. It's right now like 2:30. So I have a few hours still left today. So whatever happens, that's gonna go in this box. But everything else is done. So I wanted to share it with you now while I had a chance. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for summer. I'm finally figuring out the rest of my summer kits, so let me know what you're doing. I would love to see it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, plus bits and pieces about my life and what I'm reading and all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye.